Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now, I want to show you some my project about canteen. The payment gateway using RFID, and you can see this. This is the component of RFID. So you can tap your card for the payment like this. I have the card in here, and then I put this, and it will be show in there. So you can see the data is input in here. Maybe let me just check more cut again. I have to cut, and then I just tap in here, step, and then they put the payment in here. So let's go to the component. The component you have to uh, you have is the SPT 32. You can see here, and I use the board. If you don't have the board, it's okay. And then we have a RFID module, the card, and of course the jumper cable. And then of course you need the laptop and the USB cable. Okay, that's all you need to have for the component. And let's go make the hardware. So the first thing you have to do is have the SP, and then the module and cable jumper. Okay, so let's get started. For the first, you have to put the cable in the jumper in the RFID. So you can see here we have this thing. I'm sorry, do you see that? Okay, wait. Okay, DND, VCC, SDA, and SCL. So just put whatever the direction is, not doesn't matter. Okay, so okay, we done with this thing. After that, put the, if you see this, you have seen GND, the blue cable. Go to the GND in your board. You can see GND, put in there. Okay, now about the VCC, the purple thing, put in the V3 inside here. Wait, let me show you. You see 3V and 5V. Go to the 3V only. Okay, wait. Okay, now put the SP back into the board. Okay, now the SDA in the D2020. If you see this pin, you have D2020 and D21. The SDA go 2020 here exactly, and SCL go to the D21. Okay, now your component is done. So now let us with the USB cable. Put your USB cable in the laptop and put in your SP. Don't put in here, just put in here because the SP in here, because we have to put in the program. So put here. Okay, if you see the module on, and this is on too, so we have to done the hardware. So let's go to the software. Okay, now let's go to the hardware. I have the program in here, the GitHub, so you can download. I show you in the description. Download the zip, and then wait until you're done. download. Okay, I'm done with this. Let's see, this is the main zip, so you just need to extract. The directory is up to you, uh, wherever you want. I put my project in the coding folder, so select folder and then extract. Okay, now we'll see the content IoT.main in here. Okay, so just open the project in your text editor. I open in the VS Code. If you're using a cursor or anything else, it's up to you. So after this, you need to download the composer first. Okay, so open the terminal and then composer update like this, or composer install is it's good too, and wait until the composer is done. It will take a long time. Okay, the composer is done, and you can see here we have vendor, because the before we don't have vendor, and this is our project. After this, don't forget to copy the env here, just copy paste the env here, and then rename to the .env only, like this, and that. Can close the terminal first, and you uncomment this thing. And if you use Laragon or XMPP, you don't have to put the password, but I use the flyNV, so I have put the password root, and name the database. I put the market IoT like this, and don't forget to change the MySQL. Okay, now we don't have the app key, so we have to PHP artisan generate a key, generate like this, and then we have the key. So after all this thing, we can just check if our project can open or not. Just PHP artisan search and open the directory. So wait, it will be error because we don't have the database yet. But if you see this, it's mean your project is okay. No problem about your project. So all you have to do, just PHP. Wait, before we migrate, we download the uh, the payment gateway. Yeah, I forget the payment gateway. So all you have to do to download the payment gateway, so just type this: composer require midtrans strip PHP, because at the payment gateway we use midtrans. Enter, and we wait until the midtrans complete the download. Okay, the midtrans done, it's done, and now we make the database migration. So we have content tables in here. Okay, don't change anything from here, just PHP artisan migrate. If you see this, it will make the database in our PHP my admin. You can open here. Okay, and just yes. Okay, now if you refresh your PHP my admin, you can see the market IoT. Wait, where is here? Market IoT, and we have a transaction and user. So let's see the seeder. If we have the seeder, we have to run. No, we don't have seeder. So after all of this, you just need to check again if it done or not. Okay, now we can open this thing because we don't run the right thing. like I mean, you have to run php artisan ser and put this thing min host. I'm sorry, host. We use the host is 0.0.0.0 and then space strip. We use port is exactly like 8000 and then enter. Okay, now let's check again. Okay, now we see the dashboard. Yeah, the we used to check if the payment income or not. Okay, so you can just uh, close the terminal, and then you have to go in the RFID canteen main dot. This is a code for Arduino. So open your Arduino IDE, and then wait. Okay, now you just to paste in your IDE here. Okay, now if you see this, wait, I unplug my SP. Now you can see COM6, but if I plug my SP, I see the COM6. Just click the COM6, and then you have to choose SP32 dev module, and then download the dev module. Okay, done. The next, you have to change this thing, and this thing to your data. So this is my Wi-Fi is pot. So I change this to the pot. Okay, now this is the Wi-Fi password. My Wi-Fi password is like Marhaban. Okay, now the IP address. Where you check the IP address? So just open the setting in your Wi-Fi. After that, open your Wi-Fi properties. Scroll down, and you have seen this IPv4 address 1027. Just copy all of this thing, and then put in your IP address. Paste. Okay, done. And you have to upload. Okay, wait, the compiling sketch. If you done with the compiling sketch, the output it will become. We can just wait. Okay, if the compiling sketch is done, go to your SP and see the button right in the USB port. You see the boot button, press that. Wait until the output is out. Okay, now you see the connecting dot. Just put the boot, hold it until you see this. Okay, then get up your hand from the boot button. Okay, now if you see the hard resetting via RTS pin, that's mean you done upload your program error SP32. Now, if you want to check, just press Ctrl Shift M, and you open the serial monitor and change this to 115200 baud, and then just restart the SP. How to reset the SP is, see the left button, you see the EN, just press that, sub, and then you see the connecting, and tap your card RFID, and just tap your card like earlier. Wait, let me take my card. Okay, you see this status min 1, this failed, and if you see your RFID here, you can see anything. Now you have to add something in your .env, because we don't have the directory in the program. You just need to put down here like RFID API key, Mitran server key, Mitran is production false, like this, just like this. And then let's see again and refresh again, connecting, tap your card, tap, okay, fail again. Okay, if this thing, you just have to put the here the port. I forget the port, I'm sorry. The port is 800, and then just upload again. Wait until the compiling sketch, and don't forget to press the boot button if the compiling sketch is done. Okay, now press the boot button and wait until writing, and okay, just let the program upload in your SP. Okay, done uploading. Go to the serial monitor again. Okay, connect Wi-Fi and tap your card. Okay, success. And then if you see your, okay, now we see the transaction is done. I have two more cards. If you want to see, wait, here, the second card is different. See, and then third card is different too. And then four card is different too. Okay, that's how you make the payment gateway with RFID. Okay, thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.